Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's featured video is this Vauxhall Mareva 1.3 diesel S estate. Full Vauxhall service history, absolute beauty. It's just over 62,000 miles on the clock with one registered keeper from new. And credit to that former keeper, they've kept the car very nice. So just show you down the sides there from both angles. Absolutely lovely car. Loads of space in the boot. Tinted glass throughout. Inside, again, another credit to the former keeper, they kept it ever so nice. There's no pet odours, there's no cigarette odours, and as you can see, it's been kept in lovely condition. Even the driver's seat. 5-speed gearbox, 57.6 miles to gallon you can expect in the combined fuel cycle in this car. And we've got the electronic handbrake, air conditioning, CD and radio, and phone. Power to front windows, electronic door mirror adjustment, finishes this car off beautifully. Absolute bargain at this price. We scrutinise the market on a daily basis to make sure you're getting a bargain. Not only that though, been prepared by our main dealer technicians. Not only that, award-winning customer services from us here at Mansfield, Ford, Mazda, and of course multi-franchise. Thanks for watching, hope to see you soon. Bye bye for now.